I have a question for you. Have you ever had somebody kind of assume that because you're an actor, you're just all over the place, out there, super outgoing, super wanting to promote yourself, always talking about yourself, just always on? Yeah, right? Like people assume that all the time, but I've worked with thousands of actors, and for the most part, we don't like promoting ourselves. We don't want to be out there having to, you know, let people, we don't want to market ourselves. We just want to do the work. That's the part that we love. We're artists. So, the number one mistake that I see actors making in their marketing is that they spend a lot of time doing what I call polishing and paper pushing. And that is actions that we have to take, like fixing our websites and finishing up our demo reels and practicing self tapes and, you know, getting headshots done and doing all the things that we need to do. The problem is that they don't then take those a step further and actually get those into the world and actually get those into the hands of people that they want to collaborate with. So those actions are what I call power moves. So if you can convert a paper pushing action into a power move, that is where all the gold is at. So we talk a lot about that in my membership. We talk about creating marketing plans where you are actually taking actions that are going to yield results rather than just polishing and tweaking and paper pushing all day. So I want you to think critically about what you're spending your time doing and evaluate. Are you taking power moves? Are you making power moves? Or are you spending a lot of time paper pushing? Think about it.